Now, Lalit, when IPL was sold in season 1, matches went for 13.6 crore rupees. Today, each match has been sold for 118 crore rupees. How much credit would you give the current dispensation for fixing the kind of valuation that they have done?
It is not them. It is the fan base that done it. I've always said every 3 or 4 years it will double. The price of IPL will continue to double. If you look at all my interviews from 2008, I said every 3 years you'll see the value of IPL double in terms of media rights. And it's gone up by 98% over the last cycle. From the last cycle to this cycle at 98%. And I'm telling you now, going forward in the next cycle, it'll double again. It's not the dispensation of the management. It is the star base. It is the fan base that dictates the pricing. Because if the fans are not there, nobody's going to pay for it. The broadcasters are not foolish enough to shell out this kind of money if they're not going to recover it. They may be in a loss in year 1 or so, but not going forward. So I think that it is the fan and only the fans that dictate the terms.
IPL now has become the number 2 league in the world. How much time do you think it will now take to become the number 1, overtake NFL?
It will definitely overtake NFL, and I always say it will be number 1 sports league sooner than later. But it all depends on the innovation for the OTT platform, the digital rights. If we are able to get our act together on digital, you will see digital overtaking television in terms of viewership and in terms of revenue immediately. I think digital rights will go 3 to 4 times that of television in the next cycle. And that is if we get our act together right. I mean, a lot of money has to be spent on technology, on the digital platform, a viewer experience, more cameras. There should be the feed has to change. There's no spider cam. You need to go with drone technology. Unless you put the drone technology in, you will not be artificial intelligence, another area that needs to be focused on. All of these new technologies will bring user experience to better.